Today on Quick Tips, I'm going to push my truck off the axle stand and I'm going to show you how to mount big tyres, whether they're 35s, 37s or 40s. They all suck to mount, especially on the rear. So I'm going to show you a tip that I use to not wreck my back. Let's get into it. Right, so what we need to do is obviously get a tyre. And first, you got to get a nice blanket to sit down so you don't get a wet bum. And then you got to find some sloppy mud to change your tyres in. Because I don't have a concrete driveway, we work in the gravel. This is the way I do it. I put my feet at the bottom, roll it up onto one shoe, put my foot under, put the other foot there, and then I basically just walk the tyre in, bring it around like that, lower it down. Okay, so my wheel studs and my wheel holes are not lined up. So what we got to do is just simply walk the tyre around a little bit. And again, there's no stress on my back, so it's nice and easy. Almost there, just needs to go around a little bit more. Ooh. Needs to go like that. Lower it down by spreading your feet apart. Just like that, we're on. Make sure you got some good shoes on, don't do it in bare feet. Don't be silly. Just like that, boom, wheels on. And then take the feet away. Woo! Freedom! And yes, I only run 3 wheel nuts because I only push it around the shed. So I'm not a certified mall crawler yet. It's as simple as that. It's mounted and by now you are ready to go out and play in the mud. Me, I'm ready to wheel it back in the shed where it belongs because it's an unfinished project. But please subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of my beaten up old Suzuki getting built. We've got some build videos and we've got plenty of quick tips coming out each week for you guys. Thanks for the support and we'll see you out in the trails sometime, if I ever finish it.